Who said crockery is only for serving food? In today's video, I transformed one of my simple kitchen dishes into a beautiful living terrarium filled with vibrant succulents, tiny stones, and cute little details that brings this mini world to life. Watching this come together reminded me how much joy plant brings, sometimes more than anything else. Wash the crockery nicely, and as it does not have a drainage hole, the thumb rule is that we have to put some pebbles at the base and then layer it with soil. First think the design whatever you want to make, and according to that you can put the soil. It's advisable to put less soil initially, and then step by step you can keep adding if required. So today I'm going to make a terrarium, a simple terrarium with succulents. It is good if you use the plants of the same family for your terrariums, then it is easy to water them. I'm even using some succulents which does not have root. It will gradually get roots. It's very easy for the succulents to get roots. Only thing is that you don't have to water it regularly because succulents are not water loving. So underwatering is fine for it, but overwatering is not good. You can do the settings according to your choice. In fact, you can even change the setting of the plants and stones if you don't like them, and it will be more therapeutic. The more time you take to make the terrarium, the better it is, especially for the plant lovers. It's like a magic, or it's like a therapy. Water the plants before setting up the other things like stones and other decorative miniatures. I will not water these succulents today because my soil is already wet a bit. But ideally you should water it if your soil is dry before doing the other decorations. So I am putting up the big stones first. Try to give support to the succulents. If you are not putting too many, then it grows straight. So I'm trying to adjust at the back and in other places as well. And then finally the small stones here and there. I have some blue mini stones, so I'm making a small pond with some cute little ducks on it. And I'll even use some mini shells around it, which will even give a cuter effect. This open terrarium is designed to be low maintenance, aesthetic, and perfect for small spaces like balconies, tables, or even your workspace. From layering pebbles and soil to carefully placing each succulent, every step is simple yet so satisfying. Once the setup is done, clean the succulents with a paintbrush. Keep it in a spot where you get indirect sunlight, then the succulents will grow evenly. If you love plants, nature, and peaceful DIYs like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our green journey. Thank you for watching.